Okay, Rev fan, so I've been having issues with my bike's battery. So I have the battery hooked up here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to test to make sure that it's at full charge right now, because it says it is, and it's still on the charger, so yes, it is. It's at full charge. Now, all I'm going to do is turn this off, so it's not actually charging anymore. It does say it's at full charge. We're going to unplug this, and we're going to take these off of here. That way everything is safe to work. Now, was it about 14? Whoops. Okay, so now it's at about 14. We're going to put this back on here. And it's dropped a little bit, but I mean, it did just come off the charger. Let's see if it drops anymore. Staying right about where it is. Seems good. Now, that read 13.44. I took the battery out just because I read that is the best way to do it, and I put on wood to kind of insulate it. Not that you really need to, because it's not sitting out for the winter. So now we simply put all the parts back into place. Take our screwdriver, loosen up these screws. And then you just put this right back on here and start twisting. Now mine is actually not catching. I need to push down a little. I did bring out a flathead screwdriver because sometimes you do want to push this up to make sure it catches. And then make sure it's all the way tight. So this screwdriver is actually a little small. So I'm actually going to take my flathead and just make sure it's all the way tight. If you don't do that, you will run into an issue of it starting simply because it's not catching. It's not on there properly. Now, we hook this one back up. Like I said, push the screw down, and it should catch almost right away. And again, just to tighten it. And we are good to go. So everything's screwed in right now. I'm going to check the battery one more time. It dropped a little bit, 13.28. So that's telling me the battery's not holding the charge perfectly. But we shall see if it's just the battery or if it's a bigger issue. Now, bike on. It dropped a lot. Bike starting. Okay. So since it's only dropping literally when I stop working the bike, basically, when I stop revving it up, it's telling me that it is charging itself like it should be. It's floating right around the same thing. So now bike is off. No lights on, no nothing. And it's at 12.59, 12.6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that for like half an hour, come back and see what it's like when I get back from the store and see what it's doing. Still doing this. If it's going down, then I gotta get a new battery. If it's not, I gotta figure out what's going on. But now that it's got fully charged, and staying right around 12.6, it should be fine. I don't understand what's going on, so we'll just have to see. If you could drop me a line and let me know like what you think it is, like what, I don't have much experience. I just kind of looked it up how it should be. I went from there. If you could help me out a little bit, that'd be great. If not, no big deal. I want to do this to help you guys out, to let you know like what to look for if it's your battery, your stator, your alternator, stuff like that. And then now you guys kind of know, I kind of know, and I just want to learn more information. So if you could drop me a line and let me know what you think it is, let me know that, and have a good day. So it's been almost 21 minutes. I started this a little bit after, so it's been probably about 25 minutes since I last tested it. I'm going to turn it on real quick, let it go through its cycle. It's still reading well, so I'm not quite sure what was going on, but